Hey everybody, so you have a broken hand mixer and you need a temporary fix or something that you can use, even after your temporary fix, even after you buy another one, because I'm going to show you a couple of things that this life hack is good for. So as long as these pieces aren't broken, you're in good shape as long as you have one of these. This is a cordless drill, so obviously we can just fit it in there and tighten it up. And I've actually used this drill in this little thing. This is how I discovered it, as I was making mayonnaise in a jar and I couldn't find our little hand mixer, so I just grabbed this drill and it worked fine. And I made some mayonnaise, some homemade mayonnaise. So some other advantages to this is that, being and it doesn't have to be a cordless drill, by the way. You can use obviously you can use any kind of drill, but the cordless one has an advantage that you can take it with you anywhere. Like if you're going camping or something like that, and you like to make your smoothies, or if you're like me, you like to make your own homemade mayonnaise, you can take it with you. Make your own homemade mayonnaise, hollandaise sauce. I love to make hollandaise sauce. So just anything that you can make with a hand mixer, this will work. And that, being cordless, you can take it anywhere with you. So that's one thing I just wanted to share about this. So I hope this video helps and get you where you need to be for now. Thanks for watching.